Exercise 13b, Surface Areas and Volumes, Class 10. Question number 9. A 16-meter deep well with diameter 3.5 meter is dug up and the earth from it is spread evenly to form a platform 27.5 meter by 7 meter. Find the height of the platform. Yanode aganinga kesa well dunga aya well ni diagram ko nasalaha tigna ini ya well ni 2 ade 16 meter wana tigna ini diameter de 3.5 meter todi ya well ko chua hana ya well ko chua emangna yanani ya well ni a ko ktahana aganinga a 16 meter deep well with diameter 3.5 meter is dug up iko chua hana emangna dug up iko chua emangna and the earth from it the earth from it inoniko chue man gaba ako merakana and the earth from it is spread evenly to form a platform 27.5 meter by 7 meter todi inoniko ye well oniko chue man gaba ako dige spread khay mangna gesa platform thariana digna ini size ara 27 meter ruade 27.5 meter digna palade 7 meter. Find the height of the platform. Todi ya platform ni height beta uko calculate kanagda nangin. Todi ino mungsa ko mashirabo ya volume of well de volume of platform mung apsan again. Ya volume of well de mane de volume of cylinder de volume of well de one volume of cylinder no again digna ya well oniko chue man gaba ade equal to volume of cylinder an o again ini mensa volume of platform yarong jok ya well oniko chue man gaba a khon sakhalani giman yani volume aru yani volume option again ini man skangbo make again diameter of the well equal to patonana 3.5 meter meter kusana centimeter ungjane meter sa 3.5 meter tode radius ko calculate again radius of the well inode yet radius ongode ye diameter ko half kana nangen ini men 3.5 divided by 2 meter. Yes, a radius of the well. Then the next day, depth pong ba height ni baga naman again. Depth of the well. Pato na 16 meter. Digim na volume of earth taken from the well yarong jok ya well oniko chue man gba ini volume de equal to volume of cylinder again volume of cylinder ni formula de pi r square h so this is equal to pi yarong jok 22 by 7 into radius of well beta 3.5 by 2 ne 3.5 by 2 whole square into h de depth of well 16 meter inimena minus again 16 so this is equal to 22 by 7 tadi ya iko bakni rakskabo solve kanal tunagda 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 16 tode cancel kana mana ko 2 ara 16 ode 8 times 7 ara 3.5 ode 0.5 times digimena ya 2 ara 22 ode 11 times tode 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 8 kabo betong gena 154 meter cube. Yes, a volume of earth taken from the well. Tode mangubande micro calculate kana again area of platform ne yan platform ye platform ni area ko calculate again area de 1 length into breadth. So the area of platform is equal to length 27.5 into breadth 7. So the 27.5 into 7 there, betong 192.5 meter square. Yes, sir, area of platform. So the mungabande, let the height platform ni height ko masija. Ini mana again, let the height of platform equal to h ni se ronche na. Mana ya platform ni height ko masija ni man h ni se ronche nga. So the make it again. Volume of platform. Volume of platform is equal to imu equate kagnok ne volume of platform ko ye volume of earth taken from the well imu equate kagnok. So volume of platform is equal to volume of earth taken from the well. That is volume of platform. Yara betana area of platform into height kanan again. Manade length into breadth into height of platform kanan again. Diba length into breadth ko de should multiply ka ha area of platform equal to yan length into breadth 192.5 meter square. Ini man 192.5 into height kanan again. Yes, sir, volume of platform nga. So this is equal to that the volume of earth taken from the well there beta 154 in even 154 meter cube. So this implies that the h ko. So this is equal to 154 divided by 192.5. So this is equal to 154 by 192.5. Ye decimal number ye decimal ko fractional convert again. Fractional convert ko 192 or 1925 divided by 10 ongs kagano. So this is equal to 154 ye 10 ko sakchi ongs again. So into 10 come out 1925. Tode cancel again. 5 2s are 10 ye 5 3s are 15 2 crowd 42 digam na 5 8s are 40 42 minus 40 de 2 5 crowd 25 5 5s are 25. Taude yako 11 chi cancel kana again 11 into 1 11 dimna 15 minus 11 de dong 4 crowd 44 11 4s are 44 dimna yakora 11 chi cancel ka 11 3s are 33 acha 38 minus 33 de betong iya 5 crowd 55 11 5s are 55 30 ka 7 chi cancel kana again 7 5s are 35 dimna 7 2s are 14. So this is equal to 2 into 2 code 4 divided by 5. The game na 4 ko 5 chi divide code by the again 0.8 the game unit arongjok meter. So the meter ko centimeter na convert as again. So this implies h is equal to the 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter ini man makana ya meter ko centimeter na convert ka 100 chi ya 0.8 ko multiply kanangen ini man 0.8 into 100 ka betong ya 80 centimeter. Ini man height of platform de betana 80 centimeter. Number 11. The internal and external diameters of a hollow spherical shell are 6 cm and 10 cm respectively. Kesa hemispherical shell dunga ini internal diameter de 6 cm aro external diameter de 10 cm. It is melted and recast into a solid cone of base diameter 14 centimeter. ये question आगना नहीं किधर है या hemispherical shell कोरा melted नहीं आगना draw आता है ये hemispherical shell को draw आता है draw आते में ना कैसा cone थारिस का है तो ये ना या cone नी diameter दे 14 centimeter. Find the height of the cone so form. तो दिया cone form का गबनी height बेटा उको calculate करना किधर नंगेन देखिए ना internal diameter of shell दे 6 centimeter ये को दे question on so हा external diameter of shell माने दे hemispherical shell ने external diameter 10 centimeter. So therefore दे internal radius ये को calculate कर सकेंगे radius को calculate करना किधर ये diameter को half करना नंगेन तो दे internal radius of shell is equal to दे ये 6 centimeter को half का बो इन्होंने बताऊंगे 3 centimeter तो हमने external radius of shell ये रंग जो external diameter of shell 10 centimeter इको half करना किधर नंगेन half या 10 centimeter को half का तो दे 5 centimeter होंगे ये सा external radius of shell then a base diameter of cone equal to 14 centimeter इको दे question on so हा then a base radius of cone ये radius of cone को calculate करना किधर या 14 को half का इबो इन्होंने बताऊंगे 7 centimeter. So therefore volume of shell माने दे hemispherical shell को मुझे आगनी है volume of hemispherical shell equal to volume of cone देखिए equate कबो मायना या अपसन बोस्तु कौन hemispherical shell कौन draw आतेम ना cone थारिया हा इन्हीं मन या hemispherical shell नी volume दे volume of cone मंग अपसन again इन्हीं में सांस ये हा volume of shell equal to volume of cone volume दे मसलबा change होंगे जवाने या अपसन बोस्तु कौन या बोस्तु ना convert का हा इन्हीं मन volume दे अपसन होंगे again. So therefore volume of shell equal to volume of cone and this implies that the volume of shell ini formula de 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube होंगे ini ba capital R de external radius so digimna small r de 1 internal radius digimna 2 by 3 pi into capital R cube de 5 cube digimna minus small r cube de 3 cube ye 3 are internal radius of shell 5 are external radius of shell. So 2 by 3 pi into 5 cube minus 3 cube is equal to volume of cone. The volume of cone ni formula de 1 by 3 pi r square h 1 by 3 pi into r square de 1 radius of cone de 1 7 centimeter dimne squared 1 even 7 square into height. Ye height of cone. Ya kon calculate kanak dangen. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. या formula को सकले में देखिए मना है 1 by 3 pi into 7 square into h and this implies 2 cancel बाको cancel का निबो left side ni pi right side ni pi cancel देखिए मना left side ni 3 और right side ni 3 cancel देखिए मना next line उधे माय में डूंगर किया 2 into 5 cube de 125 minus 3 cube de 27 देखिए मना 7 square को left side उन्ना shift का बोबो इनुदे cross multiply here about ode 7 square comma 7 into 7 is kana again so this is equal to right side ode khali h san ungrang jok and this implies that the h ko don rukbo dimna ya ko right side chibak is kabo dimna 2 into 125 minus 27 de 98 divided by khama ode 7 into 7 dimna 7 ara 98 ode 14 times ungya dimna ya 7 ara 14 ode 2 times ungya. So this implies h equal to the 2 into 2 kabo betongya 4 centimeter. Kamore dongjaha iniman h equal to 4 centimeter. So therefore the height of cone is 4 centimeter.